Most drivers think refueling is the most harmless part of car ownership. You pull up, you pay, you pump, and you leave. It feels like a routine chore, almost impossible to mess up. Yet, internal repair data tells a much darker story. Statistics show that over 70% of fuel system failures actually start with mistakes made at the gas pump, not while you're driving on the road. Every year, drivers collectively spend billions of dollars fixing fuel pumps, clogged injectors, and sophisticated evap systems that were damaged by simple, avoidable refueling errors. The truly shocking part? Nearly 9 out of 10 drivers repeat these exact mistakes every single week. Some think they're saving time, others think they're topping off to get more value, while others believe they're protecting their engine. In reality, they're shortening their car's lifespan mile by mile and dollar by dollar. Today, we're exposing the 13 refueling mistakes that are silently draining your wallet, wrecking your fuel economy, and killing your engine. We aren't just talking about old wives' tales, we're looking at the mechanical reality of modern fuel systems. Stay with us until the end, because mistake number 5 is a silent killer that triggers some of the most expensive repairs in the automotive world. If you want to stop being a statistic at the repair shop, listen closely. Mistake 1. Ignoring the first click. When the pump clicks off, your tank is full. Forcing more fuel floods the evap system and can cause $400 to $1,200 damage. Stop at the first click. Mistake 2. Filling up after a tanker refill. Freshly refilled underground tanks stir up sediment and water. That contamination damages injectors and fuel pumps. If you see a tanker, wait a few hours. Mistake 3. Pumping with the engine running. A running engine increases fire risk and can confuse evap sensors. This leads to random check engine lights and costly repairs. Always turn the engine off. Mistake 4. Using fuel additives the wrong way. Pouring additives into a full tank makes them useless. They work best in a nearly empty tank before filling up. Wrong timing means wasted money. Mistake 5. Ignoring a gasoline smell. Smelling gas before refueling means a leak or worn seal. Refueling increases pressure and makes the damage worse. Fix it early to avoid big repairs. Mistake 6. Driving on empty. Fuel pumps rely on gasoline for cooling and lubrication. Running low overheats the pump and sucks in sediment. Refuel at a quarter tank. Mistake 7. Refueling on a slope. Uneven ground causes early shutoff or overfilling. This messes up fuel readings and vapor recovery. Always refuel on level ground. Mistake 8. Cheap gas caps. Cheap caps can't hold proper pressure. Result? Check engine lights and failed emissions tests. Use OEM or OEM-approved caps only. Mistake 9. Refueling in sport mode. Cars relearn fuel data when you refuel. Doing it in sport mode skews MPG and range estimates. Switch to normal or eco mode first. Mistake 10. Distracted refueling. Spills damage paint and rubber seals. Paint repair alone can cost up to $800. Stay focused while pumping. Mistake 11. Ignoring the fuel door drain. Clogged drains let water enter the fuel system. Water causes corrosion and misfires. Clean it occasionally. Free fix. Mistake 12. Constant partial fills. Small, frequent fills confuse fuel gauge calibration. This causes inaccurate range and MPG readings. Let it drop to 1/4 tank, then fill up. Mistake 13. Using the wrong octane. Higher octane doesn't mean more power. Use exactly what the owner's manual recommends. Too low equals engine knock. Too high equals wasted money. Refueling is a simple task, but as we've seen, the details matter. From stopping at the first click to avoiding the tanker truck, these small habits determine whether your fuel system lasts 50,000 miles or 250,000 miles. If this breakdown helped you see the gas station in a new light, hit that like button and subscribe. We're here to give you the real-world car knowledge that keeps more money in your pocket. Drop a comment below. Which of these mistakes were you guilty of? Or was there one that completely surprised you? And before you head out, make sure to check out our video on fuel-saving secrets gas stations protect with their lives, where we show you how to stretch every single gallon even further. Safe driving, and we'll see you at the next pump, the right way.